I love oxidized jewelry a lot, and that's why I usually mix that with a fabric jewelry. It looks very beautiful, and you can wear it either casually also. So today we are gonna make this cute necklace set that I had made in the combination of oxidized as well as fabric and as well as these tassels. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll take a base and we'll cover it in the fabric. So I already had a squared base with the covered pink fabric. So for this we will first apply this golden chain. I have taken big size golden chain and with the help of fabric glue we will apply this. So I'll add the fabric glue to all the sides and one by one we will add to all these edges like this. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. We are just gonna reach 500 subscribers. I'm so happy for that, and thank you so much to whomever have subscribed. So in this way we have to add to all self, and now I added to all the fours, and in the same way we will repeat the process to just enhance the look. Now I'll flip the side and we'll again add a glue. We will add three jump rings over here because we have to attach these beads to this, and to the upper side, sorry, jump rings over here, eye pins over here. So we'll add three eye pins, and once it get dried I'll also add the back finishing fabric, and then we will start with the further work. Guys, please do me a favor that please follow me on Instagram. I'll give its link in the description below. Thank you. So now this has dried up, so we'll add the tassels over here. For that we'll make the tassels. So I've taken the white tassel because it looks good. So we'll just keep on wrapping the our fingers, two fingers, and I have wrapped it 50 times, and we will bring it out, and then after bringing out I will just attach a wire first. So just take a 30 gauge wire and make a little wrap over here, and then at this end again we have to make a kind of 30 to 40 wraps, and make a knot and cut the silk thread. So if you want to buy jewelry, I also sell jewelry. You can contact me on Instagram. I sell this beautiful jewelry at affordable price, and I deliver it to all over India. Then we have to cut it. We have to cut this thread. So with this cute tassel is ready, and now we will add these gorgeous oxidized beads. So you can take any design of oxidized beads. It's not necessary that only this one is needed, and then just bring it out from the hole of like this fabric. Then we'll cut this extra part, and in the same way we'll add two more. So this is how gorgeous it looks. Now we'll attach this wire part upstairs. So I have taken this wiring hole machine and just simply make a hole. Then make sure that don't put your hands to that, otherwise hands will get hurted very badly. So I made a hole opposite to each other. Then we'll add this 30 gauge wire, and over here we will add three oxidized beads. So add this wire and just wrap it around inside these beads, and then we will add three beads. So I have wrapped it and we'll add the three oxidized beads, and I hope that you will share this tutorial with your friends and family who also likes to make the video, and do let me know which color you are using to make this fabric necklace set. Then we'll add this long oxidized chain. So I have taken this oxidized chain in blackish shade, and it's long, so you can see. So now at the end we'll add this A-shaped hook. There are lots of videos where I have used oxidized material to design fabric jewelry. You can watch on my channel. I'll give its link in the description below. So I have added to other side also, and I have added the jump rings, and this way our necklace is ready. Now for the earrings. So I have made this like we have made our pendant, and we'll just attach this kundan stud. So for that I took the kundan and added that glue, and then we'll just attach it to our this uh, base. So you can see I have added the jump ring over here. So simply attach the jump ring and eye pins and attach it very carefully. So tada, with this, so these earrings are too ready. So you can see we have made this beautiful necklace set. I have tried to show you in very simple steps. You will surely love to make this necklace, and also if you want to gift someone, this is a great option. So do try to make this necklace set. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya.